Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Chris Underwood, artist from Windsor, Ontario, and in this week's video, we're going to be doing a studio tour.
She's got me upside down again, just like a roller coaster, never want it over now.
Alright guys, this is the studio. If you've seen any of my videos, you have seen most of the studio. But I thought it would be cool to show you guys everything about it, where I got some of the items, how I work in it, and just tell you the overall story on how this became my studio. The best place to start would be this drawing table. I got this back in college. Some of you may know, most of you probably don't. I am actually a graphic designer, and this came in handy when trying to do some of the illustrations that were needed back then. They were very technical. You would use a T-square, you would have to get everything down like to the little point. It was intense. This thing really helped me through it, and it's survived all these years. I find it really handy because it has this little like holder thing so that I can put all my pencils and microns in, so it just holds everything there, so I don't need to clutter the workspace, even though I do anyways. The next thing that we should probably talk about is the items that I use. My favorite pencils are these mechanical pencils. You guys have seen these in other videos. I've just started using them. They are so handy. They have little sharpeners in the top of them, which is really cool. You can get a 3-pack off of Amazon real cheap. What I like to ink with are the micron pens, which are pretty cool. They are pretty smooth. Other people use a different brand that I can't remember right now, but you can get them on Amazon and they're very cheap. They last for a very long time, and you get also a bunch of different sizes. Like this is a number 5 that I mainly use, but they go all the way down to like 0.05 if you want to get those really tight details. Also, what I've been currently using are these markers that I don't know what the brand is. I don't know, but they've been working out really great. Really enjoying those. I need to get more colors, as you guys know if you've seen any of my other videos. Okay, let's go to the other side of the room where all the editing magic happens. Over here you can see our desk that has 2 computers. You can see the dog chair. This is an old chair that we still just keep around just for the dogs to sit because they love just watching us work, I guess. It's really weird. We have dog beds for them, but they just would rather sit on a chair. On the left side we have Chantel's PC where she does some photo retouching, a little bit of editing, and just play some games and stuff every now and again. On the right side we have my current computer. It is an iMac. I've been using that since college. All the furniture that you see is just IKEA furniture. Very simple, very easy to put together. We got a bookshelf, we got these chairs. We got these chairs actually from Walmart. They're pretty cool. They're nice and modern looking, very office friendly. Makes it look a little more professional in here. So over here is where I do all of the digital painting, all of my editing, and anything digital that needs to be done, like my Instagram posts, my stories, thumbnails, anything like that, done in this little corner. When drawing digitally, I like to use this tablet. It's the Intuos Small pen tablet. I really enjoy it. I like drawing on this instead of on the actual screen like some people can do, just so that my hand is out of the way. It doesn't cover up the drawing as I'm doing it. It is weird to get used to, but once you get used to it, these are a lot of fun. Alright guys, that is my studio. Not too much going on in it, but I wanted to make this video just so I had something to look back on so I can have a starting point, because I have a lot of plans for this. I want to see where it grows in the future. I want to see, even if I stay in this small room, I might expand into other places. But for now, I would like to upgrade this room, and some of the upgrades that I would like to do are sound dampening. I want to put up some of those acoustic foam boards up all over the walls. It would really help with the audio. After that, I would like to update the lighting. Right now, I just have 2 soft boxes that I just move around where I need it. I'd like to actually attach some lights to some of these shelves up here, or to my desk, so that I don't have to move around so many lights as I'm filming, and just kind of become more efficient with that. After that, I would like to really look into more storage. I'd like to get more supplies. I want to get more paints. I want to get more markers. I really want to try using more mediums and really push my creativity and just explore a lot more. I also want to try to get into spray painting. I'm thinking about building maybe like a little wall out in the back just so I can practice. It'd be really cool to do a mural one day. I've never done one, but they just look like so much fun. There's a lot of artists in Windsor who are very talented, who do the entire side of buildings, and they just look so great. But yeah, like I said, this video is more for me just to show where I'm starting so that in the future I can look back and see all the updates that I've made and see where my studio has gone. One of the updates that I'm making so soon, I am so excited about, is this computer is gone. Here, let me show you my new one. Okay, well I was really hoping on having all the parts so I could actually show you guys my new computer, but they still haven't arrived. So I just have the case right now, but that is the first upgrade and there's so many more to come, like this camera, the lighting, sound dampening. It's gonna be great. I'm so excited to see these upgrades come into life. I've wanted a gaming / editing computer so bad ever since I can remember, and I'm finally getting one. It's gonna be great to build. But yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I put out a new video every week, and thank you for watching.